Start with a slip knot. And chain 36 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain. Now make 4 half double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one. One stitch done. Make 3 more half double crochets into the same stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch repeat the same 4 half double crochets. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch 4 half double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 3, 4 half double crochets into the next stitch. Make the last set of stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochets. And in the last stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, and set a hook into the first chain which you have made, the second chain from the hook, and pull up a loop. Turn your work and set a hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all the loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 half double crochet made. With this method, you'll have straight edges. Now we'll be working only into the 4th stitch of this half double crochet bunches. Make 4 half double crochets into the 4th stitch. The next 4th stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. Make 4 half double crochets. Skip all the stitches, work only into the 4th stitch. Work only into the 4th stitch of the bunch, 4 half double crochets. This is how it will look. Now continue with the stitches. 4 half double crochets into each of the 4th stitch of the half double crochet bunch. Make the last set of stitches. And in the last stitch, make 1 half double crochet. This is the last stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, and set a hook into the second chain, the first chain stitch which you have made, and pull up a loop. Turn your work and set a hook into the first stitch, and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all the 3 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 half double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. We will be working only into the 4th stitch of these bunches. 4 half double crochets into the 4th stitch of this first bunch. Skip all the stitches and make the next set of stitches into the 4th stitch. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.